The best-selling mirror dash cam isn't always the best. Everyone thinks popularity equals quality, but when you actually dig into features, support, and real-world performance, the story changes. Today, we're cutting through the noise to find the 5 that actually deliver. Product number 1, WLFBOX G840S. First up, the WLFBOX G840S. This 12-inch 4K mirror dash cam caught my eye with its massive display and dual camera setup. At $167, it's positioned as a premium option, and with over 3,000 sold last month, clearly a lot of people are buying it. If you want a wide, clear view with strong night vision and GPS tracking, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 4K front camera paired with a 1080p rear camera means you're not just recording, you're capturing usable evidence. Whether it's a hit-and-run or a disputed fender bender, you'll be able to zoom in and read license plates from 30 feet away. Plus, the built-in GPS logs your speed and location directly into the footage, which can be crucial in court. The 8 GHz Wi-Fi lets you connect via the WLFBOX app to view or download clips without fumbling with SD cards. Now, some people complained about the lack of detailed setup instructions and tricky initial Wi-Fi pairing. Here's the thing though, once it's running, it's rock solid. The supercapacitor handles temperature swings better than batteries, and loop recording plus G-sensor protection means your important clips won't get overwritten. Just don't expect plug-and-play simplicity if you're not tech-savvy. This is perfect for you if you drive frequently at night or on busy highways and want maximum visibility and evidence quality. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or hate dealing with initial setup hiccups. For the price, it delivers serious value. Product number 2, WLFBOX G930. Next is the WLFBOX G930, a slightly more compact 10-inch version that still packs 4K front and 1080p rear recording. Also priced at $167, it comes with a generous 64GB card and a full 1-year guarantee, something many brands don't offer. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The upgraded 8 GHz Wi-Fi ensures stable, fast connections to your phone, so downloading footage doesn't feel like waiting for a dial-up page to load. The WDR technology balances exposure in tricky lighting, like driving into sunset glare or through tunnels, so your footage stays clear. The GPS tracking is always on, showing real-time speed and direction right on the screen, and it embeds location data into every video file. Plus, the G-sensor locks videos during impacts, and loop recording keeps everything running smoothly without manual deletes. Now, some users mention the touchscreen can lag slightly when switching between front and rear views. Here's the thing though, it's not a deal breaker unless you're constantly toggling while driving. For most people, the split-screen preview and responsive swipe controls work fine once you get used to it. This is perfect for you if you drive a truck, minivan, or SUV and need extra cable length and reliable GPS logging. Skip this one if you absolutely need the largest screen possible, go for the G840S instead. But for build quality and support, this is a solid pick. Product number 3, VMint VT10. Now, if the WLFBOX models felt a bit pricey, the VMint VT10 at just $75.67 might be your sweet spot. Don't let the low price fool you. This 10-inch 4K mirror dash cam includes voice control, night vision, and a 32GB card. If you want premium features without the premium price tag, this one surprised me. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The f1.8 aperture and super night vision deliver surprisingly clear footage in low light, which is huge if you do a lot of evening driving. The voice control lets you say lock video or take photo without taking your hands off the wheel, simple but effective. The 170 degrees front and 160 degrees rear lenses cover wide angles, and when you shift into reverse, it auto-switches to the rear view with parking guidelines. The 10-inch HD IPS touchscreen is responsive, and settings like brightness are easy to adjust. Now, some buyers complained about the lack of GPS tracking and weaker app functionality compared to bigger brands. Here's the thing though, if you don't need route logging and mostly use the cam for local driving or parking security, it's more than enough. Just know you're trading advanced tracking for affordability. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget but still want 4K clarity and hands-free control. Skip this one if you drive long distances and need GPS evidence or frequent app access. For city drivers, it's a steal. Product number 4, Aukey S12 Pro. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for safety-conscious drivers. The Aukey S12 Pro isn't just a dash cam, it's a smart driving assistant. At $192.79, it's the priciest here, but it includes SDARVIS2 sensor tech, ADAS alerts, and color night vision. If you want the most advanced protection on the road, this is it. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The SDARVIS2 sensor delivers full-color night vision, unlike most cams that switch to grainy black and white. That means you'll see actual colors of cars, clothing, or signs in low light, critical for identifying details. The ADAS system gives real-time voice alerts for lane departure, forward collision, and pedestrians. The 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi hits 20 Mbps transfer speeds, so downloading a 1-minute clip takes seconds. Plus, the 64 GB card is pre-installed, and the 12-inch screen gives you a commanding view. Now, some users noted that parking mode requires a separate hardwire kit which isn't included. Here's the thing though, that's standard across most high-end dash cams. If you want 24/7 monitoring, you'll need to buy the kit anyway. But for active driving safety, this thing is unmatched. This is perfect for you if you prioritize safety tech and drive in complex urban environments. Skip this one if you just need basic recording and hate add-ons. It's an investment, but one that could prevent accidents. Product number 5, Aukey P12 Pro. Finally, the Aukey P12 Pro at $128.52 strikes a smart balance. It has the same 4K front and 1080p rear recording, ADAS voice control, and 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi as its pricier sibling, but in a more affordable package. If you want advanced safety features without going over budget, this is the smart compromise. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The ADAS system includes 5 alerts: forward collision, pedestrian detection, lane departure, headway monitoring, and forward movement, so you're warned before trouble starts. The BSD blind spot detection algorithm actively monitors side zones when changing lanes, which is huge for highway driving. The 12-inch touchscreen is bright and responsive, and the 32 GB card is ready to go. GPS tracking embeds location data, and the 24-hour parking monitor with optional hardwire kit protects your car when parked. Now, some reviewers mention the voice control can be overly sensitive and trigger accidentally. Here's the thing though, you can disable it or adjust sensitivity in settings. It's a minor quirk in an otherwise polished system. This is perfect for you if you want top-tier safety alerts and dual recording under $150. Skip this one if you need maximum storage. The 32 GB fills up faster on 4K, but for value-packed protection, it's hard to beat. So which one should you get? The Wolfbox G840S for the biggest screen and GPS clarity. The G930 if you want better storage and support. The Vmint VT10 for budget-friendly 4K. The Aukey S12 Pro if safety tech is your top priority. And the P12 Pro for the best balance of features and price. Each has strengths. Pick based on your driving needs, not just popularity.